If you want to start a business with low capital, no inventory, and global reach, a digital product business is one of the most efficient models available today. In this video, I will walk you through a clear step-by-step framework to start from zero and launch your first profitable digital product. No theory, just execution. A digital product business sells intangible assets delivered electronically. Examples include ebooks, templates, online courses, Notion dashboards, design assets, AI prompt packs, and software tools. The key advantages are no physical production, no shipping, high margins, and infinite scalability. Once created, you can sell the same product repeatedly with near zero marginal cost. Step 1. Identify a profitable problem. Beginners often start with what they like. Professionals start with what solves a measurable problem. Ask yourself, what skill do people want? What result are they trying to achieve? What pain are they trying to remove? Use validation methods like searching TikTok and YouTube auto-suggest, checking Etsy bestsellers, analyzing Gumroad top sellers, or reading Reddit threads. If people are already paying for similar solutions, demand exists. Choose clarity over creativity. Example, instead of fitness guide, go with 4-week home workout plan for busy professionals. Specific sells. Step 2. Choose the right digital product format. Match the problem to the format. If the solution requires structured learning, create a course. For quick reference, a template. For a step system, an ebook. For automation, a tool or AI prompt pack. For beginners, start simple, a PDF guide, Canva template bundle, Notion productivity system, or a short video mini course. Avoid overbuilding, start lean. Step 3. Create the product efficiently. Use simple tools, Canva for PDFs, Notion for systems, Google Docs for writing, and screen recorders for mini courses. Focus on a clear outcome, practical steps, clean structure, and professional design. Your product must do one thing well. Minimum viable product is better than perfect product. Ship fast, improve later. Step 4. Build a simple sales system. You need 3 components: traffic, a landing page, and a checkout system. Your landing page must answer, who is this for? What problem does it solve? What result will I get? And why should I trust you? Platforms you can use include WordPress, Gumroad, Payhip, or StanStore. Keep it simple. Headline, problem, solution, benefits, testimonials, call to action. Clarity converts. Step 5. Drive targeted traffic. Traffic is leverage. Best beginner sources are TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or LinkedIn for B2B. Use this content formula. Call out the audience, identify the problem, provide quick value, and soft pitch your product. For example, if you're struggling to stay productive working remotely, here are 3 systems I use. Then, I created a Notion template that includes everything I just explained. Education sells better than pressure. Consistency compounds. Step 6. Optimize and scale. Once sales start, improve your landing page, add testimonials, increase price, and bundle products. Track your conversion rate, traffic source performance, and customer feedback. Treat it like a system, not a hobby. A digital product business is not magic. It is simple. Solve a clear problem, package it properly, build a distribution channel, improve continuously. Start small, execute fast, refine based on data. If you implement these steps, you won't just try a digital product business. You will build one. I am Lawrence, and I want to see you thrive. Read to lead at skilldential.com. Subscribe for more insights.